guessing right there.
Right there?
Yep.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Pretty good.
Monster.
Right there.
Right there?
No.
Hey, you beat one of the texts. So I mean, that's your guess?
Yep.
Pretty close. Good job. Right there? There?
Yeah.
Pretty close though.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's your final answer?
Yep.
Marco beat you. Go. Is that your final answer?
Nailed it!